welcome everybody to another episode of Madame Wesley. It's really great to see you this week. I hope you're doing well at home and you're staying safe. And it's been great to see some of your work being uploaded now. You'll see you're getting some videos from myself on YouTube now, and you might also be seeing some of your other teachers on some Loom. Have a look at our overview of the week and you can see where you can see the other teachers and the other lessons. But today we're going to do something completely different. We're going to be looking at handwriting. Now, we haven't looked at handwriting at home yet, so before we start I want you to get into a really comfortable position and we're going to do a quick warm-up to get our hands ready for handwriting. So first of all, what I want you to do is put your hand up like this. Using your thumb, I just want you to press in, and we call this dots. So we're just going to do dots around this hand. Swap hands and some dots around this hand. Right, now we're going to warm up our arm. We're going to squeeze our arm. And squeeze the other arm. And we do both arms because you might be right or you might be left-handed. So it's important to warm up both hands. Okay, I want you to rub your hands together and on the back. Get them ready. Now rub between the fingers. Oh, I like this one. And then a clap. Clap on the shoulders and the back. Grab and resist. Stand up, move your shoulders back. Wiggle your fingers. And now you're ready to do some writing. Now, I thought we'd start off really easy today. Now, I don't have a ruler at home, so I've had to use a book to draw my lines. So you might want to draw some lines on a whiteboard, or you could have a piece of paper that's already got lines on it. We're going to really concentrate on the detail. So let's start off making sure you're sitting properly with both feet on the floor, your back up straight, and that you're holding your pencil properly. So you're going to use your pincer grip to pick up the pencil and try and hold like so. So let me do that again. So I get my pincer grip to pick up the pencil and hold it like that. If you're not used to holding it like this, give it a go today. Practice makes perfect, okay? And that's all I can ask. So as I said, we're going to go through each letter formation, then we're going to do some words together, but just simple ones to make sure we're forming our letters correctly. Now, if you're in my class, you know Madame Wesley talks a lot about ascenders, which go up, and descenders, which go down under the line. I'm also going to teach you some rhymes for when you're doing your letters. So we're going to start off with the letter A, and I want you to be saying to yourself, around the apple and down the leaf. Around the apple, down the leaf. So we're going to do about 5 of them with a finger space in between. So, around the letter, down the leaf. Around the letter, down the leaf. You do it with me, but remember to say the rhyme, around the letter, down the leaf. Now, with handwriting, it's not about speed. Don't want you to be rushing. I want you to be doing each letter slowly and carefully. Okay, I'm just going to give you a bit of time to finish yours. Now, in my class, I usually go round and I give you a little tick for my favourite one. So, which is my favourite? Oh, I think I like this one. Give yourself a tick for the letter that you think is the best. Okay, now we're going to try and put it with another letter, the letter T, to make at. So, around the apple, down the leaf, T. Now that line on the T should be right at the top of the A. Now just check you're holding your pencil correctly or your pen correctly again. Just remember, pick it up with your pincer, turn it over. Just give you a bit of time to catch up. And tick the one that you think is the best. I think my first one's the best. Okay, if you haven't finished, pause the video and catch up. If you have, let's go on to our next letter. Now, as you can probably tell, I'm doing the alphabet. Should we say our alphabet? I'll sing it. Let's go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time won't you sing with me? Well done. So the next letter we're doing is B. And when we do our letter B, we're going to say down the laces to the heel and around the toe. Down the laces in the heel and around the toe. Down the laces in the heel and around the toe. So starting at the top. Down the laces in the heel around the toe. Try and make it nice and straight. See if you can make them all the same size. And again, tick the one that you like the best. I think this one. If you haven't finished that line, press pause to catch up. Okay, our next word is the word B. So we're going to use our B, and then we're going to have an E as well. Like this. And as we did before, choose the one that you like the best. Fantastic. If you could pause your video to catch up. Brilliant, well done. We've now done A and B, and now we're going to go on to our C. And when we do our C, we say, curl around the caterpillar. Curl around the caterpillar. Curl around the caterpillar. Curl around the caterpillar. Remember, slow and steady to try and make them all exactly the same size. I think I like my second one. Now, we're going to practice the word cat. So we've already practiced our C and our A. So remember, let's try and see if we can get them all the same size, like so. And our ascender of T should be going higher than the C and the A. Oh, that one was a bit wonky. favourite one, maybe was my last. So pause the video so that you can catch up and write your word cat. Okay, going on to our final letter of the day. We're looking at D, and we say around the dinosaur's bottom, up his tall neck and down to his toes. Around the dinosaur's bottom, up his tall neck and down to his toes. Down to his toes. Round the dinosaur's bottom, up his tall neck and down to his toes. Nice tall ascender. Well done. Really good. So that's our letter D. And I'm going to choose which one I like the best. This one. Oh, both of them were my last one. That's interesting. And now we're going to write the word did. So we'll be using two of our Ds. D, I, D, D, I, D, D, I, D. Making sure I've got a finger space between each one. D, I, D. Which one do I like the best? Maybe this one. So pause your video to catch up. Fantastic. Okay, well done for doing your handwriting today, everybody. We'll carry on next week with our letter E, G and H. We'll go through the alphabet, making sure we're forming all our letters properly. And when you're doing your home learning packs, can you make sure that you're thinking about your handwriting all the time? It's so good to talk to you. I hope you're happy today. Have a great day. See you next time.